Welcome to Sassy Saint's Chrome Nail Kit tutorial. In this in-depth step-by-step guide, I'll be showing you everything you need to know on how to achieve salon quality chrome nails from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll be covering the do's and don'ts to ensure you get the best results from your kit. Let's begin with prep. Start by gently pushing back your cuticles using your cuticle pusher. Now, using the other end of your cuticle pusher, move in a back and forth motion to remove all dead skin from the nail plate. Take your time to lift away any remaining dead tissue, as this can cause premature lifting by preventing the base coat from adhering to the nail surface. Repeat this step on all nails. Next, take your nail file, using the smooth side, shape your nails to your desired shape and length. Repeat on each nail. Using the same smooth side of the nail file, buff the entire nail plate with a light pressure from cuticle to tip. This will remove any oils and shine from your nail, a process called etching, which helps the base coat to adhere better. Dust away any excess with your powder brush and repeat this step on all nails. Finally, take a lint-free pad to clean the nails. This step is optional. Now apply a primer to your nail plate, also optional but will help to prevent lifting. Allow your nails to dry, and from this point on, avoid touching anything to keep them clean. Take your chosen chrome base powder and use the cuticle pusher to stir, ensuring a smooth consistency without any clumps. Now take your 2-in-1 coat, swirl off any excess liquid in the neck of the bottle and wipe one side of the bottle to remove any excess residue. This will help you apply it more neatly and prevent product buildup in the bottle cap. Apply a thin, even layer of the 2-in-1 coat across the entire nail in long strokes with a light pressure. Don't forget to cover the side walls and cap the free edge, the tip of the nail. This will ensure an even coverage and help to prevent premature lifting. Dip your finger into the chrome base powder at a 45-degree angle, making sure to submerge the entire nail. Tap off any excess powder, and if any areas appear wet, re-dip and dust off any excess with your duster brush. Now you can take your cuticle pusher or your cleanup tool from your manicure set and clean up around the cuticle and side walls, ensuring the powder doesn't come into contact with the skin. Repeat these steps and apply a total of 4 layers, building up strength and durability for a manicure that lasts over 3 weeks. Now apply a generous layer of hardener over the entire surface of the nail. Make sure to cover the sides and the tip thoroughly. The hardener is safe for skin contact. This step will also help to prevent chipping and cracking. Allow it to dry for 2 minutes. Once dry, using the smooth side of your nail file over the entire nail surface, smoothing out any bumps. Be careful not to file too much. You want to keep all 4 layers intact for maximum strength. Dust away any filing dust with your powder brush. Next, apply a second layer of hardener, covering the sides and the tip again. Set your timer for a further 2 minutes and allow to dry fully. Repeat this step on all nails. To prevent your brush from hardening, we recommend washing your hands in lukewarm water and drying them off thoroughly. Now apply a thin, even layer of the 2-in-1 coat to each nail and wait 2 minutes. Repeat with a second layer of the 2-in-1 coat to each nail and wait another 2 minutes. Now let's add the chrome effect. After completing your dip manicure, you can now take the chrome top coat and apply a thin layer over the nail plate. Wait 2 minutes, then dip the chrome applicator into the chrome dust and gently rub over the entire nail surface in circular motions. It's really important not to apply too much pressure, but simply make sure you've added a nice thin layer of the chrome dust over the entire nail. Now the nails should resemble a nice sheen. This is the chrome effect. Next, wipe off any excess with the clean side of your chrome applicator. This step is essential to achieve the chrome effect. Repeat on each nail, applying the chrome top to one nail at a time for the best payoff. Timing here is key. If you allow the chrome top coat to dry for more than 2 minutes, this could prevent the chrome dust from adhering properly. Now apply a second layer of chrome top coat and wait a further 2 minutes. Now take your chrome applicator, dip it into the chrome dust, adding another layer to enhance the chrome effect. Now wipe off any excess chrome dust with the clean side of the chrome applicator. And the final step is to nourish the cuticles and skin around the nail plates. This step is optional, but the best advice for aftercare and to finish off your chrome nails by adding some hydration. Now you've completed your chrome manicure using the Sassy Saints Chrome Nail Kit. Enjoy your stunning salon quality nails from the comfort of your home.